Hello, I am Shivani and I'm the creative producer for Menaka Dance. I offer classical Kathak classes and workshops, and I am recording a couple of videos to explain what Kathak training is like in its most typical sense, and how potential students can understand where to begin, how to choose the right teacher, and if this dance style is something that interests you at all. Now, I'm saying this because learning Kathak is different to learning other dance styles, and I think it might help to break it down for people who are new to this dance style, and hopefully this gives them more insight into that, what their student journey might be like. Typically, Kathak is taught over 6 or 7 levels. I am not a dance educator, so I cannot tell you why it is over 6 or 7 levels, but I can tell you that I am referring to several institutions that I have been a part of or have been affiliated with in a very small way over the years. Namely, I have done the syllabus with Gandharva Mahavidyalaya in Mumbai, India. There's another institution called Bharatiya Vidyapith in Pune, India, and there is the ISTD, Imperial Society for Teachers of Dance, in the UK. And I'm mostly referring to these three when I'm talking about the levels of learning Kathak. Now, completing each level requires you to know, understand, and execute certain things that are set down in a syllabus, and that is obviously prescribed by the institute that you are affiliated with. And dance teachers like me have to follow the syllabus when teaching the students, and if I want, I can present these students in exams at the end of the year. One important thing to know is that completing these 6 or 7 levels does not mean that you're a professional. It means that you can dance Kathak to a certain standard. That's all that it means. If you want to be a professional, there are additional levels that you have to do, vocational training levels as per the ISTD. If this video sets the foundation for what to expect in Kathak training, I'll be making another video breaking down what to expect in each level. So stay tuned.